let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, folks. Today we're looking at a wild courtroom moment featuring someone trying to pull the classic sovereign citizen move, and it's not going well. This guy is in court over unpaid rent, and instead of facing the issue, he's reading from one of those canned sovereign citizen scripts. Problem is, he can barely get through it, and the whole thing goes downhill fast. It's always fascinating how some people think they can just opt out of the legal system by declaring they don't recognize it. Like, seriously. Does he think the judge is going to just shrug and say, "Oh, you're sovereign? My mistake. Carry on"? Spoiler. That's not how any of this works. Stick around to the end, because the judge isn't having any of it, and the outcome is exactly what you'd expect. Let's dive in and watch how this one plays out.
This is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
All right, Mr. Raleigh, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD, MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD, MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt.
What a good boy. I didn't know this little guy could read so well. Like, seriously, props to him for making it through this whole thing. I know reading is a very tough challenge for these sovereign citizens, and honestly, this is one of the best reading sovereign citizens I've ever seen in my life, and trust me, I've seen my fair share, but it literally sounds like he's reading off a poem he wrote to his mommy, affirming relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Like, seriously, who? wrote this dude's script. Like, I bet he probably got this off Reddit or a YouTube or something. Like, there's just no way he came up with this stuff. This dude is seriously out here rambling about nonsense, and it's honestly kind of giving me a headache here, like the stuttering mixed with the nonsense. It's just too much, but that's what you expect from these idiots nowadays. And honestly, it kind of seems like his last two brain cells are kind of fighting to read off this little script he made. But let me know what you guys think. Is he playing dumb here, or is he just genuinely this stupid? Let's dive back in.
But it literally sounds like he's reading off a poem he wrote to his mommy. A firming relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Like, seriously, who wrote this dude's script? Like, I bet he probably got this off Reddit or YouTube or something. Like, there's just no way he came up with this stuff. This dude is seriously out here rambling about nonsense. And it's honestly kind of giving me a headache here. Like, the stuttering mixed with the nonsense, it's just too much, but that's what you expect from these idiots nowadays. And honestly, it kind of seems like his last two brain cells are kind of fighting to read off this little script he made. But nah, let me know what you guys think. Is he playing dumb here? Or is he just genuinely this stupid? Let's dive back in.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know if it's just me, but this sovereign citizen seems like the type of guy who fart and then try to sniff it because he actually likes the smell. Like, this is the type of dude in school who would find a piece of gum under the desk and be like, hey, free food, and just eat it. And now here he is in court not paying his rent and putting on a full-on acting performance like he's some legal genius. Like, honestly, I just can't get enough of how this judge is just licking his fingers and just messing with this guy. He's just waiting to catch him in all of his BS. Like, it's honestly like watching a cat toy with a mouse before it pounces. Let's go ahead and dive back in and watch this clown get absolutely destroyed.
Case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra, is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46, okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So, good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day.
There's just no way this sovereign citizen is paying that much money each month. If he thinks he doesn't need to pay $500 a month for rent, what makes the court think he's going to suddenly cough up $700 like this dude? He's already behind on his rent. How is he supposed to pay more, especially when you can't even wrap your head around basic court rules? But honestly, it's kind of weird too how the sovereign citizen just took the verdict at the end there, though most of these guys usually start yelling and going off on the judge. But this dude just sat there and took it like it was nothing. Honestly, maybe it's because he used all of his brain power on reading a couple of paragraphs from his little script and couldn't summon the energy to argue. I mean, it's kind of funny when you think about it. These guys really think they can dodge the law just by reading some random legal jargon off the internet. But in the end, the court knows how to handle them, and this guy just learned the hard way anyways. What did you guys think of this hearing here? I think it was really weird at the end how he just kind of took it. Let me know what you guys think about that, though, and I will try and find the follow-up to this one, if for some reason he didn't pay, which I got a feeling he didn't. So stay tuned for that when I do post it, but I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want more content like this. Thank you again. Take care, everyone.